To get the most out of your Vicks Germ-Free Cool Moisture Humidifier, follow these helpful steps. Make sure your humidifier is on a firm, level, water-resistant surface and at least 12 inches from the wall. To set up, remove the tank, remove the filter, and run under cool water. This helps the humidifier work efficiently right away. Fill the tank with cool water and securely replace the tank cap by turning it clockwise and place back on the base. To use Vicks VapoPads, insert a VapoPad in the slot on the base of the unit. Make sure the unit is turned off before plugging in. Turn the knob to select your desired output setting, low, medium, or high. To be sure the filter ages evenly, turn it over every time you refill the water tank. You should change your filter every 30 to 60 days, depending on your water quality. Replace the filter when it becomes hard or encrusted, when it gives off an odor, or when moisture output is decreased. When you need to replace the UV bulb, call 1-800-VAPOR12 to place an order. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit VicksHumidifiers.com.